Learn English.
Unit 4. Food. Activity 1.
Mango, tuna, cucumber, pineapple, salmon, turkey, onion, cabbage, chicken, apple, orange, lobster, mushroom, grapefruit, broccoli, cauliflower.
Activity 2. You will hear sentences containing the phrase or the. Listen and tick the one you hear. 1.
Could you pass me the cauliflower?
2.
Did you buy a grapefruit?
3. Would you cut up the cabbage, please?
4.
Is that a salmon?
5.
How much is a lobster?
6.
Do you need the pineapple?
7.
Please cut up a cucumber for me.
Activity 3. Tim is going to the supermarket. Listen and tick the things he needs to buy.
I'd better get some broccoli today. I don't think I need to get any more cabbage. I ought to get some rice, I suppose. I won't need to get any sweet corn this week. We certainly need some more onions. We do need some more bread. We've still got plenty of cucumber. I'll try to find some fresh lamb.
Unit 4. Food. Recipes. Activity 1. You will hear the ingredients for 3 recipes. Listen and write down the amounts needed. 1.
Now you'll need about 800 grams of beef,
Okay.
then 250 grams of chopped onions,
Yes. And how much tomato puree?
about 3 tablespoons is enough. Then you'll need some curry powder. I use about 1½ tablespoons.
Fine. What about salt and pepper?
Use about ½ teaspoon of salt and about 1/4 teaspoon of pepper.
2.
How many eggs do I need?
About half a dozen.
Fine. And then what?
About 200 grams of sliced onions and about 250 grams of mushrooms.
200 grams of sliced onions and 250 grams of mushrooms.
Yes, and half a litre of cream. Half a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of pepper.
Yes. And what about the cheese?
Oh, yes. It takes about 175 grams of cheese.
3.
Now start with about 1 kilo of chicken.
Yes.
And about 250 grams of small onions.
Fine. What next?
Then you'll need about 150 grams of chopped bacon.
About 150 grams.
Then about 1/4 litre of red wine.
1/4 litre? And how much flour?
You'll need about 75 grams.
Unit 4, Food. In a restaurant. Activity 1. You will hear a waiter taking people's orders in a restaurant. Listen and tick their orders. 1.
Have you decided on your order? Yes, I'll have the chicken, please. And would you like rice or potatoes with that? Potatoes, please. Would you like vegetables as well? I don't think so, thanks. And what would you like to drink? I'll have orange juice, please.
2.
Can I take your order?
I think I'll try the beef. I'd like that rare, please.
Certainly. Would you like rice or potatoes with it?
Rice, please. And I'll have vegetables as well.
Anything to drink?
Coffee, please.
3.
What would you like to have?
I think I'll try the fish.
With rice?
Yes, please.
Will you have vegetables?
Yes, please.
And to drink?
Nothing, thank you.
Activity 2. Listen to people talking about their meals. Did they enjoy their food? Tick the correct response for each speaker. 1.
How was it?
Very nice.
2.
Did you enjoy your meal?
It was all right.
3.
How was your fish?
Not very good, I'm afraid.
4.
This steak is terrible.
Really?
5.
How are the vegetables?
Delicious.
6.
Is the soup nice?
Not bad.
Activity 3. Listen to people talking about their food. What do they mean? Tick the correct explanation. 1.
Could you heat this up for me?
2.
This has been cooked too long.
3.
This is tasteless. It needs more salt.
4.
This meat is awful. I can't even chew it.
5.
This needs cooking a little longer.
6.
This is too hot for me, I'm afraid.
7.
I asked for coffee without sugar.
Activity 4. Listen to the waitress and choose the best response. 1.
Is everything okay?
2.
How's your meal?
3.
Would you like anything to drink?
4.
Can I get you some more coffee?
5.
How much sauce would you like?
6.
Is the steak all right?
7.
Can I get you anything else?